Jai student, today we are going to discuss the another topic, that is chain store or multiple shop. A chain store is a system of branch shop operating under the centralized management and dealing in a similar line of product. Means the multiple shop or chain store receives supply from the central office and the remit the sale proceeding regularly to the central office. Each shop is allowed to retain a small amount of cash or impressed basis to meet its day-to-day expenses. Purchasing, pricing, advertising are done centrally. There is only a decentralization of selling. The chain store display the goods in a identical manner and sell same standardization. Unlikely departmental stores, chain store deal only in the limited variety of product. For instance, Bata retail store deal in footwear and allied accessory only. The feature of chain store are: the first, specialization, means the multiple shop specialize in one line of business only. All Bata shop or for example sell footwear and other related item like socks, boot polish and etc. Next, elimination of wholesaler. When organized by the manufacturer, the multiple shop aim at eliminating the both wholesaler and retailer. When organized by wholesaler, they seek to do away with retailer. Next, centralized purchasing and decentralized selling. Purchase for all the multiple shop are made by the central office, but selling is completely decentralized. Next point, centralized purchasing and decentralized selling. Purchasing from all the multiple shop are made by central office, but selling is completely decentralized. Next, identical display. Multiple shop have identical display, decoration, layout, etc. Next, uniform price. The price charged by the goods sold in multiple shop are the same everywhere. Next, cash sale. Multiple shop do not generally make any credit sale. They sell goods on the cash and carry basis. Next, merit. There are many advantages of chain store system in which are follows. First, economies of scale. This system enables the manufacturer to manufacture product on large scale and sell directly to the consumer through the different retail outlet. The manufacturer achieve the benefit of large scale production has to also control over the distribution channel of his product. Next, standardization product. The good offered by the chain store are highly quality. The buyer are assured about the quality of the product when they are buying from the chain store. Next, centralized advertising. The advertisement are done by the head office. The benefit of the advertisement are spread all over the shop located in different part of the city. Next, distinct identity. All the branch of multiple shop are uniform style and design are distinct in appearance. People can easily identify each of them as belonging to the particular business house such as Liberty, Bata, etc. Multiple shop attract the customer in a better way by the window display and centralized advertising. They are generally located in different part of the city and the customer can buy from the nearest branch. Next, diversifications of risks. There is a diversifications of risk. Unsold stock of one store can be transferred to other to prevent loss and damage. It also easier to shift the store from one place to another. Thus, there is enough flexibility in operation. Next, direct contact with the customer. Manufacturer can have first-hand information about the like and dislike of customers since he has sold directly to the consumer. Next, lower price. Since multiple shop system provide the direct link between the manufacturer and the consumer, the product can be sold to the consumer at lower price because of lower distribution cost. Thank you.